Massachusetts court cases are available online at masscourts.org. So if you go to that website, this is the first thing you're going to see, and you'll need to type in the letters in the image that they provide. Okay, so let me do that. And then it brings you to the search page. So the first thing you need to know is the court department that you want to find the record in. In other words, what court handled the case. And they're all here: district court, housing court, land court, probate and family, and superior court. So you'll need to know what court, the court division, in other words, which of the superior courts heard the case. They're broken up by counties, so you'll enter that in. And then the next thing you'll need to do is enter either the party's name, or if it's a company name, you would enter that here. So I'm going to enter a name. Now this Dylan DiStefano was a plaintiff in a case that was just dismissed a week or two ago, and the case was in national news. So that's why I'm putting his name in here. But anybody's case, like I said, would be available on this website. Okay, so I do the search, and a summary of the case shows up. So I get the case number, the type of case, the date it was filed, the initiating action, at least one of the parties' names, and then if I click on this case number here, it's going to give me more details. Now, you cannot view the actual filings and motions. What this is a summary of those motions and of the rulings, but it does give you a good amount of information. So, like I said, it gives you the dates when the case was filed, what type of action it is, the attorneys for the parties involved. The defendant was Endicott College. And then it gives you sort of a timeline of the types of motions that were filed, when the hearings were held, and once the case is resolved, it's going to give you a summary of the judgment or the orders issued by the court. So what this outline tells us is that the defendant, Endicott College, filed a motion pursuant to Rule 12b asking that the case be dismissed against the plaintiff for failure to bring an action with any substance to it, essentially. And the court granted that order. Right? So it shows that the court essentially disposed of or dismissed the case December 20th, 2017. And again, this covers all courts in Massachusetts, gives you a general summary of what went on, and if you want to actually view the complaint, the filings, the different documents that were submitted, you cannot do that online. You would need to bring the case number to the court clerk's office, and they would be able to give you the file from there.